Hey guys, RTT back here for that video, guys. Today we'll be taking a look at the Flip 3 and Fold 3 phone cases. So starting off right away, this is actually a phone case we looked at around a month ago, and this was actually the S Pen support phone case for the Galaxy Fold 3. Now the cool thing about this is we actually now know that there's going to be another S Pen that comes out. So we have the S Pen Pro, which is of course the S Pen that is used for the Galaxy S21, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the whole Note series, the whole Galaxy S series. You know, you guys already know what I'm talking about, right? So that whole entire series is called the S Pen Pro, which is already obviously out and is very capable to be used with this brand new Fold 3. Not the Flip 3, but the Fold 3. Now, with that in mind, there's actually going to be another S Pen release, which is called the foldable S Pen. Now, don't think it's going to be foldable like you can, fold it in pieces. It's literally just made for the Galaxy Fold. You probably still use it on any other S Pen or any other S Pen on any device, but it is literally going to be coming out with the Galaxy Fold 3, which will be again called the Fold S Pen. Foldable S Pen, Fold S Pen, whatever you call it. So with that in mind, it's actually kind of cool. And of course, this images we are seeing on the screen right now is kind of what it will look like with the actual case around the phone. So starting off right away, as you guys can see right down the middle here, you will have your S Pen that you can put in there and have it on your phone at all times. I said this before, I said it again about this case. I still find it weird because it covers the outside display, and of course that's a big thing about this phone is having that outside display. They even improved the outside display on the Galaxy Fold 3 so that you can actually use it without having to go ahead and open up your phone, because for example the Surface Duo, there's no outside display. So if I want to use this, I have to open it up. Now with the Galaxy Fold 1, we saw the display was very small and minuscule. The Galaxy Fold 2, it was a lot bigger and more usable. And now with the Galaxy Fold 3, we are seeing an even bigger display. So this phone case definitely is interesting because it kind of goes against that narrative of the whole phone case, like actually being able to use it as a phone. It kind of reminds me of my bookcase for my Galaxy, for my Surface Duo, where it makes so you can't even use it as a phone in the phone mode, which kind of defeats the purpose of the phone. But I digress. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like, if you're just holding it like normal. Obviously, what I would guess, and this would be my personal guess, is this is probably a cover. You guys see how it goes indent right there? This is probably, oh my bad, you guys see how it's indent right there? This probably peels back, and you can kind of just peel it back and hold it against the back while using the device. And then once you're done using the device, you can go ahead and put it back to normal, and it covers the phone. That would be my guess, because again, like I said, it would just remove all practicality of the front display if that was not the case. Nonetheless though, let's go ahead and go down here. You guys can see, and it looks like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, yeah, this has to peel back, because there's no way so this is probably just like a little smart cover. You guys have seen the smart covers on the S21s where literally you could just, it's magnetic and it literally just holds onto the surface. You peel it back, you can use the display, and that is actually, and then that's it. So that's probably what this is. It looks like, yeah, see there's a little tab right here you probably pull back. So this is actually really good looking, I will say. In this case, I will definitely be picking up with the with the Galaxy Fold 3. I will definitely say that, because it definitely looks nice. It keeps the S Pen on you at all times. And with that in mind, guys, we are seeing a big improvement on the Fold 3 screen, because it does now support S Pens. Alright, so now let's take a look at the Flip 3 and the phone cases. So starting off right away, this is obviously what the Flip 3 will look like. If you guys are new, this is what the Flip 3 is. It's a flippable phone. Rather than fold horizontally, it folds on a vertical axis, and axis, and it's very, very in my opinion, very awesome. So here's the phone cases we have to look at. So starting off right away, I'm gonna go ahead and make this a little bit bigger for you guys. You guys can see this a little bit better, but this is what the phone would look like in this phone case at a vertical angle. Now let's go ahead and go through each of these images. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'm going to have to do it like, actually wait, there we go. Okay, so this is the next image we have. Now this one is kind of interesting because all these pictures that we've been looking at today, they kind of make the phone look more or less like a $20, $30 phone. I just want to, like, that's just my first impressions of looking at these phone cases. I kind of see them as like looking at like, oh, this is a $20, $30 phone case that you just buy off Amazon, or this phone is a $20, $30 phone you buy off Amazon. This Galaxy Flip 3 is a $1,000 phone. Like, this is $1,000 right here. So I definitely will say with these cases, it definitely is interesting. But as you guys know, that 1.1 inch display on the outside of the phone, which can of course be used for music, notifications. You can actually, it is a touch display, so you can actually, you know, utilize the phone without opening it up. Here's another image, and again, like I said, you see that gigantic outer display, and also you have the flash right here. And to be honest, it still looks very, very cool, even with this, you know, in the case, outside the case. But I will definitely say, I don't know, just my personal opinion, it makes it look like it's like a $10, you know, little gadget you bought off Amazon or something. But again, this is, in my opinion, one of the coolest phones. I definitely love the Flip series. So as you guys see, this is what it looks like. We got the 1.1 inch display with the dual camera setup right there and the flash right there. So you can, if you want to, you could even, you know, put this on a buckle, put this on your belt, put this on your key ring. I mean, you're getting now to a point where you're putting your cell phone on your key ring. What are we coming to, guys? What are we coming to here? But there are multiple colors to use this with. This actually looks like a belt buckle. Like, this looks like you could actually put this on a belt buckle, which I thought was interesting. This is really hard to see, but it's a white edition of it, and it definitely looks interesting. And then going on and on here, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I really am interested to see what you guys thinking. I think the Galaxy Fold 3 cases look very, very awesome, especially with, of course, you know, that S Pen support on the side. This is very interesting too with the Flip 3 too. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.